Welcome back, guys. So today is turkey day. I'm going to make a turkey stuffing. So right now we have onion, add some. So it's turkey day. We have some onion, shallots, parsley. Now we're gonna add some thyme. So this is the thyme. I'm gonna add it. Again, we have onion, shallots, thyme, garlic, parsley. Onion, shallots, thyme, garlic, parsley. Them ingredients I'm gonna use make the turkey stuffing. So to start this this stuffing, I need butter, so there we go. I'm adding my herbs and spices. Okay, shallot, onion, garlic, parsley, thyme. Sweating these veg, getting some aroma. Yeah, it smells so good. And this is regular hard-dough bread, straight out of Jamaica. Golden crust hard-dough bread, big round one. Yeah. So I'm gonna finish this off by adding 2 eggs. Add the egg to the stuffing. Egg is a binding agent in this stuffing. I use salted butter, but I'm still gonna add a little bit of salt for some additional flavor. Alrighty. There, salt. Baking tray. oven is preheated at 350. I'm just gonna run it for a few minutes and get some crust and get the stuffing together. Okay, so my stuffing is ready. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna taste it. Yummy.